How to fix no signal issue on Samsung A16. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, like that. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then go back and swipe down to your control center, and here you can turn on or off flight mode 2 to 3 times. After turning on or off flight mode 2 to 3 times, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then reinsert your SIM card. After inserting your SIM card, then reset your network settings. For reset your network settings, then open settings and open general management. In general management, scroll down and click on reset, and then scroll down and click on reset mobile network settings, and then click on reset settings. After reset network settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.